Meet Messenger, your all-in-one tool to easily connect with your retailers and grow relationships on Faire. Today we'll walk through the ins and outs of the tool, from how your inbox is organized to where you can go for quick customer information that'll help you respond quickly and accurately. Let's start with your inbox. On the left-hand side, you'll see a full view of all of your retailer messages, now prioritized by messages needing a response, making it easy to stay on top of conversations. When you click into a message, there are some quick links to help you manage the conversation. Create an order, mark as unread to come back later, or dismiss it if it's not urgent. You'll also see a new customer details panel on the right with everything you need to know about this customer, including store details like name, location, and website, links to their recent orders, and products in cart. In this example, a customer has a question about their delivery. Click into their recent orders to see ship status, tracking, and order details. This order shipped in multiple packages, which might help answer their question. Let's also look at the customer's cart to see what they're shopping for and provide even more targeted support. It's all easy to access, so you can stay ahead on every sale. There are other ways Faire Messenger can save you time. For common questions or follow-ups, you can save time by using templates. We've pre-generated a few like these, including a way to ask for a review following an order. You can edit or create your own to keep it personalized and on-brand. Now let's take a look at how Messenger works for you and your team. Unread status is based on the individual, so if a team member has read a message but you haven't, it will show as unread in your inbox. Let's click into this unread message as an example. Here you'll see your teammate James has already responded to a customer. But if you only want to focus on conversations that need attention, go to your message settings. You can automatically mark team replies as read. That way, once anyone responds, the message is marked as read for you too. Adding your team members to your account on Faire is a great way to improve your customer service. Brands with teams see up to 30% fewer late replies to retailer messages. And since customers who get a quick reply are 45% more likely to place a first order, our goal is to help you respond to your retailers quickly and efficiently. Whether you're in your office or on the go, Messenger was designed to support you. Simply download the Faire app on your phone to take messages with you. A quick pro tip, turn on notifications so you never miss an inbound message. And that's Messenger. Smarter, faster, more connected. Ready to strengthen retailer relationships? Check out Messenger on desktop or in the app to explore the latest updates.